It is the one-year anniversary on the New York Stock Exchange for Fifth Street Finance. The company has another major announcement to make this morning. So let's start off there. Len Tenenbaum is the CEO. Len, what is the major announcement this morning?
Well, we're launching an index, and the Fifth Street Small Business Index is showing a growth for the first time in 9 months. And this index is composed of 30 companies across our portfolios. As you know, Fifth Street Finance is a public company, BDC, symbol FSC on the New York Stock Exchange. We've been public for a year, ringing the opening bell this morning. But really, I've never found an index to truly represent small business.
So why do you need that now, you think? Or why are you providing that to the market now?
Seeing all these people say, whether they see green shoots or we call it green sprouts, and some people do, some people don't.
Do you?
We do. We do. We're seeing a turn in the portfolio, and we're seeing growth in the EBITDA, the earnings of the companies.
What do the next 6 months look like for you, given that fact?
We just started really deploying a lot of capital. About 2 or 3 weeks ago, we turned back on origination to lend money into small companies. And that's after going through the last 9 months of a little bit quieter lending. This is new for us.
What was the tipping point for that then? That you said, okay, 3 weeks ago or whatever the timeline was, that now is the time that we're going to switch our strategy?
Well, I think stabilization of the portfolio is important. Also, we're seeing some more lending. We applied for an SBA license with the Small Business Administration. We've moved along in that process, and we're going to be able to originate some loans into that facility. And also, we're looking at some other lines with large banks. Banks are starting to lend. It's starting to loosen up.
So your market cap is at about $205 million right now. Taking a look at your stock over the last 4 weeks, you've experienced a little bit of this market rally, also up about 12%. What is your growth strategy now? All things considered, you've been public a year. The chart shows the volatility, but again, it's been a year. So what are you looking at over the next not 6 months, maybe 12, 18?
Well, Fifth Street Finance has been around for 11 years. I founded the company in 1998. We actually had regular committed funds, $157 million, $200 million before this. So we took it public last year with Goldman, UBS, Wachovia. We were able to deploy $140 million in really what's the best environment we've ever seen for lenders.
Right.
And now, really, what we're seeing is some lenders are coming to the market. It's still not. There's very little competition.
Do you regret going public at the time that you did?
No, not at all. I mean, we were lucky to be able to go public. I mean, it was us and Visa last year, I think, as financial services firms. I remember talking to Charles over here on the couch. And it was really exciting time to go public because for us, now we can become the industry leader. But it takes, unfortunately, a cycle like this to weed out some of the competitors.
Well, real quick, who are your competitors?
Well, they used to be some other public companies like Gladstone and Patriot and others, but now they're deleveraging. And right now, we don't have any leverage.
That's a good spot to be in.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, that is a good spot to be in. Len, we're going to have to leave it there, but keep us updated. We'll keep an eye on that index. You're going to have that out around 8:30 this morning or so?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you, Jenna.
Len, great to have you. Congratulations.
Thank you.
An exciting year for sure.